you guys are already here. Oh man, I cannot wait to show you this house. Let me jump inside, turn all the lights on real quick, and switch clothes. I just got done doing man stuff. So one second, I can't wait to show you this house. Welcome to our newest listing. In today's market, if you're watching this video a day or two after we go live, I'm so sorry, but it might be gone. I want to point out some of the highlights of the house real quick before we take a look around. So, at 8400 Pinewood Drive, location, and what I mean by that is you're located right off 240. You have more schools, Oklahoma City utilities. Yes, I'm just looking at an Oklahoma City trash can right now. You have great access to I-35, great access to the new northeastern loop of the turnpike, and you've got over 2,000 square feet, all for a price that's super affordable in this market. Let's go take a look around. Do I look? Yes, I don't have my tuxedo. Do I look like a great postcard picture? Folks, like I said before, we've got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 living rooms, safe room, remodeled kitchen, updated woodwork, updated flooring. This house, in the price range it's at, it's gonna go. So as you can tell when you walk in here, you've got this gorgeous entryway, white painted woodwork, new carpeted stairways, and it leads up to your 2nd living room, your 3rd bedroom, and a full bath. And then downstairs, you've got a completely remodeled kitchen. You've got a vaulted ceiling living room with amazing fireplace and tons of built-ins. If you love books, DVDs, VHSs, some of you don't know what that is, there's plenty of room for all that, or knickknacks. Like if you like bowls full of marbles, you've got tons of that space located in this brand new home. Using it. I just can't. That's where we can get some firewood like that. Well, hello, darling. It's been a long while. Not really. Hey, so check this out. Stainless steel upgraded Whirlpool microwave. Stainless steel upgraded Whirlpool freestanding drop-in 4-burner glass top stove. And look at this, folks. This one, it's gonna put the big pizzas in it. The big pizzas. How many times do you see new appliances where you can only put the medium pizza in there? Who wants a medium pizza? So, all brand new. It still has the styrofoam in it. It's so new. I'm gonna take that out. I don't want that to start a fire. Let me have this. And I'll just put this right here so I don't forget it. Now look at this sink. This is a 50/50 stainless steel sink, and look at this nozzle head. If someone's making you mad in the living room, look at that. Look at that. You can't do that with one of those stationary ones. This one, oh, you're funny? You're yeah, that's funny. But you don't want to do that because then you get everything wet. But this is great, folks. Granite countertops, white painted woodwork, the beautiful glass backsplash. This is beautiful. I want this in my own house, but I just don't, I'm never there. I'm always talking to you, showing you houses. So this is beautiful, folks. And trust me, the MLS average price for homes is $215 right now. This is more schools, completely remodeled, and it's gonna be super affordable. When you call, you're gonna be unbelievable. The price is gonna blow you away. You're gonna love it. And this one, if you see this 1 or 2 days after it's posted, I'm so sorry. There's just so little inventory. But let's digress. That's a big word, huh? Never used that one. And let's go look at the living room together. So every 100 years or so, you might lose electricity. Don't worry. Fireplace right here. And I bet it's one of those ones that you could use wood too if you want, with the gas light, or you can put the gas logs in. It's entirely up to you folks. Vaulted ceiling, like I feel like I'm in a ballroom. I don't know if that's how you dance. Remember when I talked about the built-ins? You have so many options for TVs. You can put it above the mantle. You can put it up here above the built-in, or you can have tons and tons of books and a whole bunch of little TVs. Maybe you want a whole bunch of little TVs to watch 100 channels at once. That's possible with today's technology. Let's go take a look at the master together. Hey guys, before I go into the master bedroom, give us a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up. Tell YouTube that you love this video. Thumbs up. Big hearts. Trade ceiling. I'm going to say this room is at least 12 by 16. 16 by 12. And you've got a bath with a jacuzzi tub, and you also have a shower, and the closet, the shoe storage. I love shoes. I've got so many shoes. There's room for them. There's room for them. And the way that we've done the hardware in this primary bath is to die for. To die for. You gotta come see this. Come on, come take a look at this with me. Guys, look at this. I would love waking up to this every morning and just doing my morning routine. How beautiful, how ornate, how classic are these faucets. And it goes just so well. Damn it. And it goes so well with the hardware throughout. I love this emerald green, the deepness of it. I love the gold finishes. And this isn't the brass. This is the gold, folks. This is classic. Wow. Come on in here and I want to show you this. You know how when you're shaving your legs, you always have to find somewhere to step up? Well, don't worry. I've got you covered. Look at that. Look at my white socks. How retarded is that? Just get those legs shaved right away. That is awesome. What lady wouldn't like that addition? Or swimmer. I have swimmer buddies that shave their legs. And they're not even like pro swimmers, but they do it. Look at all this space, and right here, whew, look at that. Look at all those shoe holders. Yes. Yes, that is awesome. Let's fast forward now to the upstairs. Huh? Who doesn't want their own table tennis room, or their own billiards room, or their own video game room? Like, look at the size of this second bedroom, second living. It is enormous. I'm gonna say at least 24 by 20. It's enormous. So let's get the tape measure out when you come over and we'll measure it and make sure. It also has a full bedroom up here and another bathroom right here. So the house actually has three bathrooms. You've got the primary bathroom, the guest bathroom downstairs, and the guest bathroom upstairs. So it's a 3-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage, more schools. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Who's fallen in love? Huh? Who's fallen in love? Wow. White painted woodwork throughout. The beautiful granite is carried on up here. In this toilet, it's one of the taller ones, so you're not squatting so much. This master shower has been completely redone, and it has 2 shelves, which is nice because it's another spot you can keep your legs shaved on if you're a swimmer or a lady or someone who likes to shave their legs. Great stuff. Let's go look at that bedroom together. This is the 3rd bedroom. Go on, take a look at it. Check out the window, check out the closet, the new light fixture. All right, let's transport down now to the 3rd bedroom. You guys, let's go there right now. Oh, man, that was crazy. When you go take a look at this house with me, we'll do that together. But this 3rd bedroom is amazing. Or the 2nd bedroom. It's probably the 2nd bedroom because it's still on the 1st floor, but this is a very, very substantial sized bedroom. Lots and lots of room in here. Located on the ground floor, it's back away from the garage, back away from the kitchen. It's on the other side of the living room, so it's very far away if it's somewhere where you need someone that likes more peace and quiet. So great downstairs 2nd bedroom or 3rd bedroom, depending on which direction you go. Guys, thank you so much for walking through this house with me. My name is Josh Barnett, Better Hopes Guard Real Estate Paramount. The agents that I work with and I are here to earn your business. If you're relocating to, or moving within Oklahoma, give us a call. Give us a call if you're moving nationwide. We know some great agents in other states. We'd love to introduce you to them. Number is down below. We're a call, text, or email away. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get more great videos like this. And we also do things like living in, pros and cons, cost of living throughout the metro to try to give you as much information as possible when you're making your move to Oklahoma. Have a great day, guys. Thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you on the next clip.